Good morning everyone, my name is Regina Campo and I am here to present our research entitled Development and Acceptability of Banana Rice Aloe Moisturizer. Introduction of the study. Natural body moisturizer have grown in popularity in recent years as people become more conscious of the potentially detrimental effects of synthetic components on the skin and the environment. Natural moisturizer include no harsh chemicals. They are kind to the skin and give long-lasting moisture without clogging pores or irritating the skin. The development of moisturizer, it is a difficult undertaking to develop a natural raw material moisturizing, given that sensitive and irritated skin type. Moisture may be important for maintaining skin hydration and skin-specific defenses, even if the idea that moisture loss may be harmful for a number of allergic skin conditions is becoming more widely accepted. To the introduction of the study, moisturizing is really important for keeping our skin healthy and protected. Many lotions and creams in stores have artificial ingredients that can irritate or hurt sensitive skin. This research looked at natural alternatives that work well in a moisturizer. Statement of the problem, this study aimed to develop and evaluate the Banana Rice Aloe Moisturizer. It seeks to answer the following question in particular. How many the Banana Rice Aloe Moisturizer be developed? How many the product be evaluated in terms of texture, consistency, scent, absorbency, skin reaction, and the packaging? Number 3. What are the recommendations of the expert participant to improve the product? Materials and method. The researcher used mixed method for the research. We focus on collecting data through survey with question, and we use purposive sampling, which means we choose specific individuals who fit certain criteria to participate in our study. For collecting data, we created a survey with question rated on a 5-point scale which corresponds to 5 as strongly agree, 4 agree, 3 neutral, 2 disagree, and 1 strongly disagree. This scale allows respondents to express how much they agree or disagree with the statement about Banana Rice Aloe Moisturizer. This way, the researcher could get detailed feedback on their experience and preferences. The data was collected by first, the researchers conduct a validation letter and survey questionnaires, signed by the thesis instructor. After the signing process, the researchers then study the validators' comments and in order to improve and finalize the survey questionnaires. The sample product together with the authorized survey questionnaire is distributed to the participants for evaluation. After the researchers gather all the responses, they organize the information to analyze the trends and preferences of the participant. Now let us look at the product testing and evaluation. For the texture, the participant agreed that the moisturizer is gel-based and oil-free and strongly agreed that it is lightweight. For the consistency, the participant is neutral that the moisturizer is water-based and strongly agree that it has cooling effect. For the scent, the participants are neutral about the moisturizer has the fragrance of its own ingredients and strongly agree that it has fragrance of lavender. For the absorbency, the participants agree that the moisturizer can be easily absorbed by the skin and provides hydration without feeling heavy and residue. For the skin reaction, the participants agree that the moisturizer does not cause redness and has no itching or dryness effect. For the packaging, the participants strongly agree that it is well suited for the moisturizer and labeled properly. The conclusion, the researchers developed the natural body moisturizer that can help to moisture the skin without any skin reaction using the ingredients of saba or the banana peel, aloe vera, rice water, scent, and glycerin. The recommendations. From the conclusion drawn, the researchers arrived with the following recommendations. Number 1. Since the researchers developed the raw materials, it is recommended that the product be tested and introduced in the market. Since the participants strongly agree and have tried the product, it should be surely available in the market after necessary improvement. Number 3, the participants recommended to reduce the added lavender scent of the product to recognize the smell of its natural ingredients. Number 4, for future researcher, they may conduct another study using the ingredients banana peel, rice water, and aloe vera to develop a product. Thank you for listening. So that's the end of our presentation about our research entitled Development and Acceptability of Banana Rice Aloe Moisturizer.